Still getting warm air even after a recharge? Don't ignore this hose. In this video, we'll show you how to properly replace your discharge hose. While this repair is demonstrated on a Chevrolet Trailblazer, the process is the same for most vehicles. We won't be showing the removal of the hose from the car itself, but once you've done that, here's how to replace it step by step. To start, we need to remove the ferrule by carefully sawing it off. Be sure not to damage the fitting in the process. As we remove the ferrule, it's important to understand how the discharge and suction hoses work in your AC system. The discharge hose carries high-pressure refrigerant from the compressor to the condenser. Because it deals with heat and pressure, it's usually the first to wear out. A leak here means the system loses pressure and cooling performance drops. The suction hose runs on the low pressure side, pulling refrigerant from the evaporator back to the compressor. It's less likely to fail but still important to check. Now that we've removed the fittings, inspect them closely. Cracks or worn out surfaces can cause leaks. This is still in good condition, so we can reuse it. We just need to clean it up. Any dirt, debris, or leftover sealant can interfere with the seal and lead to leaks. So we want to make sure everything is spotless before assembly. Make sure the ferrule is properly positioned on the hose to ensure a tight, leak-free connection. Before we crimp the ferrule, let's double check the length of the hose. Remember, measure twice, cut once. Getting the right length is essential for proper fit and function. Now that we have the correct length, it's time to crimp the ferrule. A quick tip: when crimping, make sure the ferrule is snug but not over-crimped. Too much pressure can damage the hose or fittings. Once the hose is assembled and crimped, it's time to connect it to the system. To test for leaks, we'll use the soap method. Pump air through the system and apply soapy water to the connections. If bubbles form, you've got a leak. It's a simple and effective way to spot issues before recharging the system. And that's it. Your new discharge hose is ready to go. Thanks for watching.